Lives at 31 Sherwood Road. Oh, Otis is modernised by Otis. Oh, bloody hell. Wasn't expecting that for such a new looking mod. Or newish looking mod, but kinda rough. No lantern out there. Yeah, that's original motor. Just a VS drive now, I'm pretty sure. Get that right up. See if it's really rough again. Otis key switches. New indicator. They modernise the outside on ground. Door operator. Actually, that's original door operator. This doesn't sound new. Doesn't sound old. It has that Gen 2 sound to it. 750 kilograms, 11 persons. Lift number 2. So they modernised on ground outside with new Dewhurst and new lanterns, but they didn't do anything else except for the inside indicator.